everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is another Tesco food shop. I did the click and collect once again because that's just how I prefer to do my shopping. And I do have some meat that I've been to the butcher's for today, which I will be able to show you. The meals that I've got planned are burger, chips and baked beans, a nice quick easy one, a pork dinner. With the leftover pork, I want to make a sweet and sour with noodles, and then I'm going to have some grilled chicken with pasta, peppers, mushrooms. Charlie, give up. Sorry, the dog's tapping his bell for a treat. Some grilled chicken with pasta and halloumi, and then I'm going to have some Peshwari chicken, which is from a Pinch and Lombok. So I haven't had that recipe before, so we'll see whether or not I do enjoy it. So those are the meals that I've planned in for the week ahead. Obviously I've got bits and bobs for pack ups for work, snacks and things like that too. So I'll get on to what I've picked up from Tesco and I'll tell you the price of the items as well. So I've got a broccoli for 72p, this is for the pork dinner. For £1.32 I've got some raspberries, these are to take to work with me. For £1.39 I've got some strawberries, they're also to take to work with me to have with my yoghurt. I've got some nectarines for £1.49. I've got some of the Tesco's soft cheese for £1.30. That is for me to mix in with the pasta that I want to have. I've got some peaches for £1.09p. I've got a Tesco cauliflower which is 85p. These were originally 95 but it's on offer for 85p. I've got some blueberries for £2 to take to work with my yoghurt, which is the Creamfields low fat natural yoghurt at 70p for two. So the reason I've moved on to this instead of the Greek style is because of the price. These are only 35p each. So I can get two for 70p, whereas the Greek style is now like 85p. I've got some halloumi at £2.15. I've got some Tesco's 50% reduced fat mature cheese, which is grated, 2 packs for £4. Some Suntrail Farm grapes at £1.49. A block of reduced fat cheese for £3. I got a block of this to make some cheese and onion sandwiches with. I got a packet of baby butter mushrooms for £1.15. These are to go into the pasta dish. A cabbage for 62p for the pork dinner. 4 pinter of semi-skimmed milk for £1.45. Some Growers Harvest sultanas at 95p. These are for the Peshwari chicken dish. I got some of the Carotino light cooking oil at £2.25. This is usually at £2.50, so 25p saving. I've got some red pesto for the pasta at £1.25. A packet of bunny bites for £1.15. Bisto gravy at £1.75. Some loose bananas, I got 10 bananas for £1.90. A 1 kilogram packet of basmati rice for £1.85. And then I also got some Tesco panty liners for 95p. When I'm coming to the end of my cycle, I don't really need anything heavy, but these just stop my underwear from getting ruined. So for £1.50 I got some McVitie's white chocolate digestive biscuits. I haven't seen these before, I think these are new, so of course I wanted to try them, and with Dan loving white chocolate I thought they would be a winner. I've got some oranges for 95p, some Tesco carrots for 50p. I got the Blue Power Active Lemon Toilet Rim Block for £2. I got some ground almonds for £3.60. This is a 250 gram bag. I don't need all of them. I wish they did smaller packs, but yeah, this was the smallest one that I could buy. I've got some Cadbury's Dairy Milk Freddos for £1.25. Some peppers for £1.39. Some more paracetamol for 39p. I've been having quite a lot of headaches recently. Some toilet duck for £1.25. I've got some kitchen roll for £1.35. I've got Oh, I've got a red onion for 14p. This is new, I do believe, I haven't seen it before, which is the Munchies Caramel Biscuit Sharing Bar for £1.25. I've got the Tesco's wholemeal bread for £1.35. Another toilet duck for £1.25. Some brown onions for 37p. And some more pegs. I've got the wooden ones this time because I'm so annoyed that the plastic ones keep breaking. So these are £2. Custard creams for Dan for 65p. An 8-pack of Kinder chocolates for £1.10. Some Terry's chocolate orange bars for £1.25. A 15-pack of eggs for £1.99. And some Dairy Milk little bars for £1.25. And the last few bits from Tesco, I got some golden delicious apples for £1.20, the Tesco's light coconut milk for 85p, and then some Tesco's lamb gravy granules for £1 with a hint of mint. And then the meat that I got from the butchers, beef burgers for £6.25, I got a pork joint for £6.80, and then I got lots of chicken breasts for £27.49. So I don't feel as if I save anything money-wise, but I do think the quality is so much better. So for that reason, we keep going to the butchers for our meat. So that has been everything that we picked up from Tesco on this food shop. I do think I will be doing a vlog of the meals that I'm eating throughout the week. So if you do want to see that, that will be coming up next weekend. But if you've watched this one till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. But for now, goodbye.